Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about one of the best way you can unlock your global traffic strategy in 2025 using the WordPress multilingual. So let's dive into it. The WordPress multilingual is a powerful plugin that helps you turn your WordPress site into a multilingual platform, letting you serve content in multiple languages and boost global traffic. It generates directly with WordPress, translate pages, post taxonomies, menu, and even theme strange, and works with most major page builder and the SEO plugins. The pros include the seamless WordPress integration, robust languages management, compatibility with the SEO tools, and reliable support, all of which make it easier to reach the international visitors without juggling separate sites. The cons also include a learning curve for beginners and a potential performance impact without coaching, and the premium pricing can also be a drawback for the platform. And in my opinion, I actually think the WPML, which is WordPress multilingual, is worth using if you want a professional and SEO friendly multilingual strategy, and it's one of the most reliable way to expand your reach and traffic globally on WordPress. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.